Yo, y'all know what it is. It's your boy Mopar X. Back in the lab with another one today, ladies and gentlemen. It's tutorial time. Hit that like button down below. Follow me. Make sure as soon as I get to it, I'm gonna follow you back. Now, today we're gonna talk about timing chains. Yeah. The most scariest thing that people try to stay away from. For a lot of you DIYers, doing timing chains is not that hard. But it does require having the right tools. Don't forget that. Stay tuned to the channel, man. It's your boy Mopar X. Let's get it. Here we go.